trucks and tractors all around. Down the road and through the town, the trucks and tractors roll around. Each one has a job to do. Let's meet the crew. Come ride on through. Fire Truck Freddy zooms with might, red and shiny, big and bright.
When there's smoke or flames to fight, I rush in fast with flashing light.
Dump Truck Daisy comes with a roar, hauling rocks and dirt galore.
I lift my bed and tip it back to pour out gravel on the track.
Tractor Tim works on the farm, driving fields with country charm.
I plow the soil, then plant the seeds to help grow crops for all your needs.
Delivery Dan is right on time, bringing boxes down the line.
I drive through sun and rain and snow to drop off things wherever I go.
Bulldozer Bella is tough and strong, pushing heavy piles along.
I clear the land, make roads so wide. Just hop on in, I'll give a ride.
Ambulance Annie speeds down the street with flashing lights and steady beat.
I help folks who are feeling ill and get them care. It's a special skill.
Police car Pete goes zoom and zip on every safety-minded trip.
I help protect and guide the way and keep folks safe each night and day.
Garbage truck Gus says,
"Don't you fear, I pick up trash from far and near.
with a beep and clang, he makes things neat.
Clean towns make our day complete."
Cement mixer Meg spins round and round with rumbling wheels upon the ground.
I mix up concrete, thick and gray, to build tall buildings every day.
Forklift Frankie lifts up high, reaching boxes to the sky.
In warehouses, I zoom and glide, stacking crates from side to side.
School bus Sally honks with cheer, bringing students far and near.
I pick them up and drop them home, safely driving where they roam.
So many trucks, both big and small, working hard to help us all. They dig and dump, they plow and zoom, with beeps and honks and engines vroom. So next time that you see a truck, wave hello and wish them luck. They've got a job, they're strong and true, and maybe one day you will too.